And Caleb and Emmett.
We're picking up eggs.
From who?
The Easter rabbit. The Easter rabbit. That's chocolate. These are chocolates. And we're sharing.
Yep.
Yes. So I'm letting pick it up. I should let him pick it up.
And who left the chocolates?
The rabbit Easter bunny.
The rabbit Easter bunny. Oh.
Yes.
Look, there's an egg over here.
Yeah.
I think there's still some on the steps.
Yeah. There's more on the step.
On your side of it, you skipped them.
If you skip it, I do.
Dudes, look at these.
Yeah. Yes! I like them. I like them. Let's come. Take. Judah, Emmett has it too. Okay, then look. We got the book. Any more? Is there any more? No.
Really? Wait. Let's open the blind.
Yeah! This is. Cut it. Yes, we got it. Yes, we got all of it. And not for you.